Hey, you, yes, you. Do you want to win or crash? Do you want to achieve what the Lord has in store for you? Or you just want to be living life based upon I pass the right my stool? I don't know what to do. I can't speak. I think I'm not enough. And the many excuses you keep putting on your diggy. If you really want to win, you have to avail yourself to God and knowledge. You have to make yourself big in the things of God. Let me tell you something. Making money is not for the faint-hearted. You need resilience, grit, strength, and perseverance. You need to show up and show off. You have to know your onions. That's where knowledge comes in. Being able to do and achieve your goal is something you can achieve if you do these three things. Number one, follow God's instruction. Number two, seek and apply knowledge. Number three, continue the two all over again. Let me explain. God is willing to give wealth to his children, but they must be willing to take it. He doesn't force his children because he gives them free will to do anything they like, whilst guiding anyone that seeks his guidance. Now, let me talk about number one, following God's instructions. Have you noticed deep in your heart that there is a voice telling you what to do to achieve success? But the distractions of this world keeps overshadowing it because you allowed it. That voice, some call it guts, some instinct, some your subconsciousness. Some even say it's your inner being. But for those of you that know, we all know that that voice is the voice of God who speaks, directing us on which paths to take in life. Have you ever thought about it? Why do you keep thinking about it even though you want to ignore it? Why do you keep saying, I can't do it? But that voice is saying, yes, you can. You can. Yes, you can. My point is, never allow the distractions of this world sway you away from the will of God for your life. Number two, seek knowledge and apply it. We are in a world where knowledge is now in abundance. Any information you need now, you can get at the top of your button. That's the world we live in. So the best way you can utilize this opportunity is to seek knowledge. Upskill yourself, level up, learn, and learn. Try your best to achieve way more than the average person will achieve when it comes to gaining knowledge or seeking knowledge. The more knowledge you have, the more value you have. If you have knowledge and you don't apply it, it's just like take lots of butter and pour it not into a mask. Have you thought about it? Why do people come off as wise, knowledgeable, skilled, intelligent, but still not as successful as they should? It's because they only focus on acquiring knowledge, but they have never applied it. Some apply it, they stop on the way. Some start and never finish. Some think that because there's a saying that knowledge is power, they would put in all their effort in gaining knowledge. But they forget that knowledge that we are saying is power is actually applied knowledge that is power, not just knowledge. It's okay to be full of knowledge, but it's way better to apply them until you see results. That is when you see a man that is just knowledgeable you wanted and has put in all his efforts to apply it to the very best of his ability, is very successful. But a man who is well knowledgeable in so many things but does not apply them is just struggling like those who thought he may have knowledge. My point is, seeking knowledge is good, but applying them is way better. The last point is continue the two over again. Now, after applying the knowledge you have present, you have to still go back to God for more instructions and follow the instructions, because since you are applying the knowledge, he will teach you more ways to be successful, and he will ensure that you never go astray so far as you follow his instruction. And the point of seeking and applying knowledge also comes in again. Remember, we're on the point of continuing the two environments. So this time we are doing the two again, like following God's instruction and seeking and applying knowledge. Because as you climb the ladder of success, you still have to seek more knowledge and apply them on the road to success. So the cycle goes on and on like that. So don't be confused or troubled. If only you can follow these three instructions, you would achieve more success than you can ever think of or you can ever imagine. I believe you've learned one or two things from this video. Drop in the comment section, yes, if you believe you can achieve success. I know if you don't believe you can achieve success, but I believe you can achieve success. So drop in the comment section, yes, I'll be successful. Like, subscribe, please subscribe, 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 subscribe so that this video will reach more people. Okay, so that to reach more people, kindly subscribe, hit the notification button, comment, share to your friends and loved ones, and you know that they will need to watch this video. Entrepreneurs, keep going. See you in my next video.